Welcome to Creative Hero Inc., where legends are drawn in bold black and white. Today, we're summoning the god of thunder himself, Thor, brought to life with nothing but ink, energy, and raw power. Did you know that Thor is not just a superhero, but also a symbol of strength and bravery across cultures? Before the comics, Thor ruled the skies in Norse mythology, the protector of mankind, wielding his mighty hammer Mjolnir to fight giants and bring order to chaos. He wasn't invincible, but he faced every battle head-on, no matter how impossible. Marvel reimagined him as both a cosmic warrior and a fallen prince, caught between worlds, driven by duty and redemption. And whether he's defending Asgard or Earth, Thor stands for honor, loyalty, and sacrifice. His hammer isn't just a weapon, it's a test. Only the worthy can lift it. And that question, are you worthy, has become one of the most powerful themes in modern hero storytelling. Thor reminds us that true power isn't about strength alone. It's about heart, purpose, and humility. If you believe heroes are more than capes and powers, if you see them as symbols of who we could be, you're in the right place. Thor debuted in Marvel Comics in 1962, in Journey into Mystery number 83, created by Stan Lee, Larry Lieber, and Jack Kirby. He was Marvel's answer to mythological heroes like Hercules, but with a cosmic twist. He's one of the few Marvel characters who speaks in Shakespearean English, using phrases like thee, thou, and verily, adding to his ancient godlike aura. Thor hasn't always been the only one to wield Mjolnir. In 2014, Jane Foster took up the mantle as the mighty Thor, battling not just cosmic threats, but also cancer, with unwavering courage. Her story became one of the most powerful arcs in modern Marvel history. Speaking of which, drop a comment if you'd like to see me draw Thor and Jane Foster together. I'm thinking of starting a new series called Heroes in Pairs, and I'd love to hear who you want to see side by side. Hit subscribe, because here at Creative Hero Inc., we don't just draw heroes, we bring their stories to life.